Hey guys, John here from Diode. Today in the garage, we'll be showing you how to install our Stage Series reverse light kit like you see here on this 2017 Ford Super Duty. On either side under the rear bumper, use a T40 Torx bit to remove one bolt. Using the bolt we removed, secure the reverse light bracket with the lip facing towards the vehicle. Make sure the bracket is level before tightening in place. Grab the universal bracket included with your pods and place it in the orientation shown. Secure to the reverse light bracket using the included bolt, washer, lock washer, and nut. Tighten everything using a 13mm wrench. Grab one of your pods and attach it to the universal bracket using the included bolt and nut. Tighten everything down using a 3/8 wrench and 5/32 Allen. Adjust the aim of the pods as needed and repeat on the other side. Next, disconnect the 7-pin trailer harness by depressing the locking tab and plug the included harness in line. Plug the harness back in line with the factory trailer connector. Route the longest DT lead over the driver's side frame and plug into your pod. Repeat for the passenger side. For this side, grab the included DT extension, plug it into the harness, then into the back of the pod. Test for function. You should have a vibrant red backlight with your running lights and a bright white main beam when you put the vehicle in reverse. With everything functioning properly, zip tie any loose wiring. As you can see, with our Stage Series reverse light kit installed, we've added a significant increase in light output behind the vehicle that automatically turns on when put in reverse, and a unique look thanks to the red accent light. If you're looking to pick up a Stage Series reverse light kit for your Super Duty or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.